the unboxing of the new Happy Meals from McDonald's today. So the first thing, right now we are just going to go get this out. So I'm going to box everything out of these. Okay. So the first thing, and this is YouTube. But actually not YouTube, it's just on the camera. So this is my fridge today. So now I think I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show you. I'll put this all down. You're not going to see it though.
Who is talking?
Mom, I'm doing a coffee. I'm doing something for YouTube.
What?
Yeah. I'm doing an unboxing video on McDonald's for the new Happy Meals.
Wow. So spooky.
And I'm going to show you.
Okay, you're going to show them?
Yeah,
Okay, so put the little bucket over here. So then they can see the bucket. And what did you get?
So I got the French fries.
These are new toys.
Okay, let your sister,
And we got some barbecue sauce and some chicken nuggets. I think it's a 906.